Hi there, I'm Claudia Friedlander, and I would like to invite you to enroll in my Vocal Fundamentals online course in time for the next run of weekly live classes, which launches this coming Sunday, September 10th. Vocal Fundamentals is an online singing course that offers an immersive exploration of all aspects of singing technique. It includes 24 themed lesson modules. The weekly live class is open to all participants. We'll meet for a total of 24 times, so we get to explore each lesson in depth together. I think you'll feel right at home in the class because it actually reflects the composition of my teaching studio. It includes singers of all backgrounds, levels of experience, musical interests, and I really enjoy getting together each week with Vocal Fundamentals participants to talk about various aspects of singing. My approach to teaching singing technique is premised on the fact that singing is movement. After all, your body is your instrument. Developing your voice means conditioning your vocal anatomy so that it will respond well to whatever your imagination asks it to do. That way, when you perform, you can just enjoy making music without giving much or maybe even any thought to your singing technique. It's really all about cultivating a great rapport between your mind and your body. The connection between the two are your feelings. I think of singers as feeling artists. We make music with our feelings via our bodies and our breath. Buddhist philosophy equates feelings with body sensations, and that paradigm really resonates with me. If there is an emotion that you would like to be experiencing more frequently in your life, singing can cause that emotion to arise and amplify within you. If there is an emotion that you're struggling with, exploring a song that can help you to deepen that emotional feeling can help you to integrate it. So while this course will teach you how to make some beautiful sounds, it's more about what makes those sounds beautiful. And that is the unique quality of expression that each of us has the potential to share. So join me beginning this coming Sunday, and I will share with you everything I know about singing from the ground up. I've broken it all down into accessible components, and you will have my support as well as the support of the Vocal Fundamentals community every step of the way.